Find or read reviews that people are talking about SmartDawn Halloween Christmas projector lights outdoor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Innovative design, equipped with 2 motor drivers offering 10 switchable colors and 16 changeable patterns, this weather-resistant projector operates between -31 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Features a built-in ventilation fan for optimal performance. Enjoy a projecting range of 13.1 feet and coverage of up to 2,137 square feet. Adjustable safe degree from -75 to 90 with a recommended 30-degree working angle for a customizable experience. Convenient RF remote. Control your light projector effortlessly with the RF wireless remote. Easily turn the projector on or off and switch between colors and patterns. Adjust pattern flash, speed mode, color modes, single or multicolor, and color speed for a dynamic effect. Set a 2-hour, 4-hour, or 6-hour timer for automatic shutdown. IP65 waterproof and easy installation. With an IP65 waterproof rating, this light projector is suitable for rain and snow. Install it effortlessly in various settings, insert it in the ground, mount it on walls, ceilings, or place it on the ground using the base. Note: protect the AC adapter from rain exposure. Multicolor projection, featuring 2 projection heads, this projector offers RGBW water wave ripple effects and pattern imaging. With 16 colorful patterns and 10 colors to choose from, create ocean wave effects and charming patterns perfect for holiday parties, Christmas, Halloween, and birthdays. Versatile occasions, ideal for festive, holiday, and commercial decorations. This projector also makes a thoughtful gift for family, friends, or colleagues. Suitable for various settings such as bistros, pubs, hotels, bedrooms, gardens, and more, this projector enhances occasions like Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and evening parties. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.